Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I'll be showing you how to organize yourself using Clickup. Let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into Clickup using your provided username and password. Now, Clickup is there to simplify our life, to make us very organized. And the easiest way to organize yourself in Clickup is to make sure everything moves into Clickup. ClickUp has different functionalities that ensures it is easy for you to follow up on your tasks and your projects without hassle. It has notification options that come in handy to tell you what has been happening, what is going on what your team members have been doing. And that is really interesting when you're working on ClickUp. ClickUp also comes with a favorite option where you can pin in tasks and objects that you find are interesting to you. A very simple way of moving items into the favorite is just by navigating, selecting any that of that specific option, and selecting add to favorite option. You can also select the other department and say, okay, I need also this to move, and say marketing, move that to favorite. And that's pretty cool because now when you move into your favorite location, if you have too many things jungled up, it is very easy for you to get access to your tools in there. Now, ClickUp also gives you the ability to create spaces, and spaces come in handy when you have different departments or different projects, and the projects are being executed from one list to another. So, if I click on my project management, I can tell these are tasks that are related to project management, and I can create subtasks and indicate their status, whether it's supposed to be in progress, to do, or complete. Also, ClickUp comes in with a very different views that allows you to work with the common designs that you're used to. If you prefer working with boards, then it has a board view. If you like working with a calendar view, if you like working with a Gantt for your project management, waterfall design, then ClickUp integrates all this together to make sure your life becomes very easy. You can also automate options within your ClickUp, making sure you don't have to do things from scratch, creating tasks, getting reports. ClickUp has the ability to set up automations, and once they're ready, you don't have to interact with your ClickUp. It will just be giving you updates on what is happening. ClickUp also comes in with different spaces that are ClickUp also comes in with different workspaces that you can utilize in creating your departments. You can definitely change or switch between the departments. You can also create new departments. And not only that, you can also integrate using the integration option and bring in your favorite applications into ClickUp. See, you can have Slack and many others that are in here. ClickUp gives you the ability to set up security and permission, ensuring it is very easy for you to say who is supposed to access what folder and what file and who doesn't have specific rights in there. You can also work with importation or exportation for your ClickUp tasks, and that simplifies moving files from one area to the other. ClickUp has this very friendly interface, so anytime you're working on it and you feel this is the direction to go, then ClickUp comes in handy and you don't really want to miss using ClickUp in your project management. Well, there's a lot of things to learn so you can organize your life using ClickUp. I'll see you in the next nugget.